That's really interesting.
I'll get to the bottom of it eventually.
I mean, it does kind of sound like actual drumming to a certain beat.
Mm-hmm. What I hear sometimes, like the old sound, like the little battle tapping that they used to do before the war, when they go like that, kind of.
Yeah.
That's kind of like what I hear at night, sometimes before I go to bed. Is in this room and in the back bedroom over here on the left.
Somebody throwing a party down the street.
No one's partying at all. It sounds like it's coming
at
from
11
my
in the morning.
bedroom. So, according to what this is, it sounded like it's coming from my bedroom.
Yeah, it sounds like it's right, like not too far with an echo. Interesting. I love it.
I don't have
It
any
hasn't
type
changed. It sounds the same.
I don't have any type of reverb or anything like that with going. Just a standard phone set up right now. I don't even know how to do reverb shit.
At first, when you said that, I thought maybe a car outside was playing some music and because I'm in a camper, so you can hear stuff outside, but there's nobody out there. I can see out the window. There's no cars, nothing.
The nearest house, as I've been telling you guys, is like 75 feet that way, and they're usually at work during the day.
Yeah, and then